So this is a question from IPMAT Indore 2024 paper QA section. And we have made videos on many questions till now. This is a question where I find the options, I find that the options are wrong. So I will still solve this question, I will put my answer, but जो भी मेरा आंसर है वो इन सभी आंसर्स के साथ मैच नहीं होता है. I checked this question many times, I solved many times, but वो मैच नहीं हो रहा है. So I had to assume कि ये question wrong है, and that's how we will go about it. So question तो सही है, but I think options are wrong. So I will put my solution in, and if any of you has a better explanation on that, so I will be ready to change my solution. So let n be the number of ways in which 20 identical balloons can be distributed among 5 girls and 3 boys, so that everyone get at least one balloon and no girl gets fewer balloons than a boy. Okay, so by reading it, we can figure out that this will be a question. This is a question based on partitioning theory, जो हम लोग PNC में पढ़ते हैं. Okay, तो partitioning theory के जो दो basic फॉर्मूले हैं वो मैं एक बार यहाँ पे आपको नोट करा देता हूँ. जब भी कंडीशन ये है that there are n identical objects and they are to be distributed among r distinct groups. Such that 1, there is no condition, no condition means that n objects can go into R groups in any manner. That means all of them can go into one group also. That is also a possibility. That means some of the groups may remain empty. That is also a possibility. So if there is no condition at all, these objects can go in any manner they want, then in that case the answer will be n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. Right? And second case is if n identical objects are to be given to R distinct groups such that none remains empty. None of the groups remain empty. If that is the condition, that means we have to give at least one object to all the groups. So in such cases, the answer will be n minus 1 c r minus 1. So these are the two basic formulae that we use in the questions of partitioning theory. ये फॉर्मूले आते कैसे हैं, इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन भी बहुत इजी है, बट वो हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस नहीं कर सकते. आई विल अपलोड अ सेपरेट वीडियो फॉर दैट. Now, so let us come to the question. There are 20 identical objects and these objects are to be given to 3 boys and 5 girls. Now, the condition is that all of them must get at least one object. And then second condition is that all the girls should get at least those number or more which a boy gets. So if all the boys get one object, then the girls should get one or more, right? So there will be separate cases. One condition is given कि सभी को कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलना चाहिए. So we can start with one object to everyone. So there are 3 boys and then 5 girls. So if the boys get one object, because that is the condition, girls also get one object, because that is the condition. So we have already used up 8 objects. तो अब इसके बाद कितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स बचे हैं? 20 में से 8, तो 12 ऑब्जेक्ट्स बचे हैं. Now those 12 objects can be given to these girls, right? Because अगर हम वो boys को देंगे तो boys will have more objects as compared to girls, तो वहां पे प्रॉब्लम होगी. Question says that girls should have equal number or more than any of the boys. So जो 12 remaining objects हैं, all of them should go to the girls only. तो वो कोई भी ऑर्डर में जा सकते हैं. अब किसी गर्ल को मिले तो भी ठीक, ना मिले तो भी ठीक, right? So these 12 objects can be given to these 5 girls in how many ways? Now we can use this formula because there is no condition on these 12 objects. They can go to any of the 5 girls in any manner, right? So the answer to this first part will be 12 plus 5 minus 1c, 5 minus 1, that is 16c4. Right? So in first case the answer is 16c4. I hope it is clear. So we'll go to the second case. Case 2 is when we assume that one object will get two toys and two objects, one boy will get two objects and other two get only one object, right? So now what about girls? Girls will get how many objects? Because one boy has got two objects, now the girls will have at least two objects. The condition of the question was everyone get at least one balloon, okay? No girl gets fewer balloons than a boy. So if a boy has received two balloons, then no girl will get less than two balloons. So all of them will have minimum two balloons, right? So there are five girls, so they will all have 10 balloons together. So 10 balloons are there and 4 are here. So 14 balloons are gone. So 4 are remaining. Sorry, 6 are remaining. So these 6 balloons can again be given to these 5 girls in any manner. There is no condition on those 6 balloons. So I can say this will be given in 6 plus 5 minus 1c, 5 minus 1. The same condition, the same formula that we have used here. So that is 10c4. Second case, answer is 10c4. Right? There is one more thing. Because we have assumed that two balloons will be given to one boy, that means this can happen in three ways. There are three boys, so I can give two balloons to boy A or boy B or boy C. So this case can happen in three ways. Right? So when we write our final answer, we will multiply 3 to this. Right? So we will keep this thing in mind. We will have to multiply 3 to this. So this part is different. 3 is with 10c4. Right? Then we come to the next part. If two boys get two balloons and one boy gets one balloon. So in this case, again, all the girls will have minimum two balloons. So 10 balloons here and 5 here. So 15 balloons are gone. So we are left with 5 balloons. In the same manner, these 5 balloons can be given to these 5 girls in any manner. So that can happen in 5 plus 5 minus 1 C5 minus 1. That is 9 C4. And again, we are giving two balloons to two boys and one to one boy. So that one boy or one balloon can be any of these three. That means this can also happen in three ways. So I can give one balloon to boy A or boy B or boy C. So this can also happen in three ways. So we will multiply 3 here as well. So that is third case where where we have 2 to 1 balloon for boys and remaining balloons for girls. The next case will be everybody has two balloons in the boys category. So all the boys have two balloons. That means all the girls will also have minimum two balloons. So 10 balloons here and 6 balloons here, 16 balloons are gone. Remaining 4 balloons can go to these 5 girls in any manner. So again 4 plus 5 minus 1c, 5 minus 1, that will be 8c4. And this time there will be no 3 because this can happen in only one way. So it will be 8c4 only. So there is one more case that can happen here. If a boy gets three balloons. So this can be 3, 1, 1. One boy gets 3 balloons, other get 1 balloon because 1 is minimum. You cannot give 0 balloons to anyone. So 3, 1, 1. That means all the girls will have minimum 3 balloons. So there are 15 balloons and 5 balloons here. So all 20 balloons have been used up. So that means there is no way in which we can distribute any balloons because there is nothing remaining. So only thing that can happen is this 3-1-1, that can happen in three ways. I can give three balloons to boy A or boy B or boy C. So this can happen in three ways, right? Is there any other way where in which we can distribute the balloons to boys? If I write 3 2 2, then also this will be 3 3 3 5 times. तो उस केस में जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बलून्स है वो 21 हो जाएगा. That is not possible क्योंकि टोटल 20 बलून्स ही अवेलेबल है. So this is pretty much the cases that we have. Now we just have to add all these answers to get the final answer. So what we have is 16C4, then 10 times 3 times 10C4. So I will write all the answers here. First was 16C4, second was 3 times 10C4, next was 3 times 9C4, and the last was 8C4, and then last is 3. So we just have to add these cases because they were separate cases. Either this will happen or this will happen or this will happen. So we will add these cases. Whenever there is a possibility either or, so we add the cases. So 16C4. 16C4 will be 16, 15, 14, 13 upon 4 into 3 into 2 plus 3 times 10C4, 10, 9, 8, 7 upon 4, 3, 2 plus 3 times 9C4, 9, 8, 7, 6 upon 4, 3, 2 plus 3. Right? So now we can cancel some of the numbers. 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 3 into 5, 15. So 2 5s are 10, 14 into 13, 169, 172, 182. 1820, that is the first part. 3 and 3 is cancelled, 4 and 2 is cancelled. So 9 into 7 is 63, 63 into 10 is 630 plus 3, 3, 4 into 8. So 7 into 6 is 42, 42 into 9 is 420 minus 42, that is 378 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. I think I missed this 8C4 part. So the answer for 8C4, we will have to add that. So 8C4 will be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 upon 4 into 3 into 2. So 4 into 2 is 8, 3 into 2 is 6. So 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 7 is 70. So we will add 70 also. So final addition will be 630 plus 70, 700. 1820 plus 700 is 2520. 2520 plus 381. So 2520 plus sum of these two is 381. So answer will be 1, 0, 9 and 2. So answer is 2901. So that is the final answer that I have, but this does not fall in any of the answer ranges that are given. So that is why I said in the beginning that the answer could be wrong. So this is my answer. So if any of the viewers or students get a better answer or better explanation and your answer matches with the given options, then please let me know in the comments. Thank you.